Legislator from Saipung Sutnga constituency, Santa Marichala, on Thursday said that Meghalaya government is pursuing additional rupees 89.90 crore for repairing and developing 102-kilometer roads at national level Highway 6 in East Jayanta Hills district. Addressing a press conference in Shillong, Shella said the Ministry of Road Transport and Highway has already sanctioned rupees 281 crores in October last year for this project, and the project is expected to be completed by 2025. She also informed that after receiving the sanction of rupees 289 crore, the work has been allotted to 2 contractors.
The work is still going on. I would like to thank the Ministry of Roads, Transport and Highway for the sanction they have given 200.81 crores. On the 17th, if I'm not mistaken, on the 17th of October 2023. So this sanction was done and work has been allotted also to 2 contractors, about 103 crores, and the other one is 60 crores. And the 89.90 crores, it's on process. DPR has been sent to the ministry,